All right, we are trying to complete assignment 3.06, turning your essay into a web page. And to do that, we're actually going to start at 3.05, accessibility and design. You're going to go to learn effective design. You're going to flip all the way over to page 10, and this is where we're going to find our code. So you should have read through this lesson before you got to the assignment. It kind of just explains everything to you, and there are videos inside the lesson that you can watch that shows you how to do all of these things as well. So we're going to copy that. We're going to put it into a new notepad or BB Edit, which I use because I'm on a Mac. And then we're going to delete code step 2 and if code step 1 if it was at the top. Then you're going to go to page 14 and you're going to insert this. So you're going to copy this whole thing and you're going to insert it after this symbol. So there's the symbol right there. And oh, no space. And then we're going to paste that there. Okay. Then we're going to copy this line of code. And we are going to insert it after body. So go here and down here. We're going to return, enter that there. We are also going to enter it 2 more times at the bottom. Okay. Then we're going to copy the paragraph one because you were supposed to write 2 paragraphs. You're going to copy that. You're going to make a new line and you're going to paste it in the middle. So we should have title, paragraph, paragraph, title, title. Okay. And then up here we have the style for the title and the style for the paragraph. So you can choose what you want it to be. I'm just leaving it as green and black. With these different font sizes, but you can change all of these color options and font styles if you'd like. All right, now we're going to open our webmaster roles assignment. Okay, so this is my lovely paragraph I wrote. First, we're going to take that title and we're going to copy that. And we are going to put it into 2 places here. Where it says CSS example, we're going to delete that. And we're going to paste in webmaster roles. I'm going to capitalize the R here since it's a title. Then down here, you're going to do that here as well. We're going to delete. This makes it title larger, black, and centered. And you're going to put webmaster roles. There, whoopsies. Gonna delete that T. There we go. And I'm gonna make my R capitalized. Webmaster roles. All right. Now we're going to take our first paragraph here off of your essay, copy that. And you're going to put it in your first paragraph line here. So you're going to delete that part. And you're going to enter your first paragraph. Okay. Then you're going to do the same thing for your second paragraph. Copy it and enter it after here where it says paragraph. Then you are supposed to use 2 websites to research webmaster roles. Oops, I did it wrong. Undo, undo. Oh no. Let's do. Why is it doing this? Oh, sorry. It's not returning. Okay, so that should be fine. All right. Then you were supposed to use 2 websites. So we're going to delete this. And we're going to type in the names of the two websites we use so that you can cite your work. So www, the website you used.com. Obviously yours is going to be a real website. And then we're going to do the second one down here. www, the other website, or whichever real website you used. Okay, then we're going to save it and check our work. So file, save as. What did we want to call it? I'm trying to remember here. You're supposed to save it as, is this the right one? Nope. Sorry, I should know this. I forget. So let's just call it, where is it? Here we go. Let's call it webmaster roles essay. Or no, I think it's supposed to be essay website. I don't really know. It's in the it's in the instructions. All right. And then you're going to save it in your Unit 3 folder, which isn't listed here. Unit 3. Okay, save it. Now let's go check our work. Ta-da! So we have our title up here in black, and then we have our 2 paragraphs in green, and then we have our 2 websites at the bottom, and that's it. Okay, so then you go back to here, and you go right click. Oops, did I do that? I didn't do it right. Compress. Boom. And then this essay website zip, that's what you're going to submit to the class. All right, if you have any questions, I did it a little bit differently from the directions in the graded assignment worksheet. So whichever way makes sense to you. I just thought it was easier to copy the code from the lessons. So call me, text me, email me if you need help.